So this is a big issue about disability benefits and a contemporaneous termination claim. The way this arises is, let's suppose somebody's fired and entitled to, let's just call it a 18 months notice. So they want to claim the income they would have earned for that 18 months. At the same time, they're medically disabled. And contemporaneously with the 18-month notice period, they're also receiving disability benefits. So the issue now is, well, does that disability benefit claim offset the common law wrongful dismissal claim? I'm going to leave human rights out of this right now because it's more complicated. But the short answer is maybe. And the way the law is mapped out now is that if the employee provides value or consideration for the long-term disability benefit claim, that is the premiums, then the employee keeps the disability and the wrongful dismissal claim. Now the issue then becomes, well, what does that mean if the employee pays for the disability premium? If you pay it directly, that's a big advantage, by the way, for tax because as I mentioned previously, the premiums, the benefits are not taxable. So if the employee pays it directly in a cash payment, then the employee will recover not only the LTD benefits, but also the wrongful dismissal claim. And then we get into fine-tuning this. So what does that mean, pay for the disability premiums? And the case law has demonstrated that if the employee provides something of value to the employer for the benefits, that is, the significant case was one in which the employee said, about to be hired, let's say he's being offered $75,000, and the employee says, well, you know, the benefits are really important to me, and I'm willing to take $72,000 plus the benefit claim. So I'm effectively, the employee then is paying something for the benefits by taking a reduced salary. And in that situation, the long-term disability benefits are not to come off the wrongful dismissal claim. Now, that's the basic concept that comes out of this. And what the famous case in the Supreme Court was a decision called Sylvester. But what that decision did not understand is that every employer taxes in the form of a T4 statement to the employee the value of the benefits it's providing. So the employee effectively is paying for it as a taxable benefit. And that's basically in every situation. Now, that specific fact hasn't been argued, but it follows logically. So the end result of this right now is that the employee typically can recover disability benefits for as long as they continue, and the wrongful dismissal notice period claim, and the example I gave was 18 months. It could be as high as 2 years, sometimes a little longer. So that's an important issue to understand, and make sure if you're in that situation, you can prove that you provided a benefit, either cash directly or some other benefit to your employer as consideration for the disability benefits.